Here's a full rundown of what M1 Plus gets you. Number one, it's going to give you the additional afternoon trading window at 3 p.m. instead of just the morning trading window at 9:30. Number two, you can set up smart transfers, which are basically automation rules for your M1 spend checking account. Number three, you can create custodial accounts, which is basically an investment account for a child managed by an adult. Number four, that discounted M1 borrow rate, bringing it down from 3.5% down to 2%. Number five, this is pretty massive here. With the M1 spend checking account, if you have an M1 Plus subscription, you earn 1% APY on your checking deposits and unlimited 1% cash back with the M1 Spend Visa debit card. You heard that correctly, guys. Yes, that is a debit card that allows you to earn cash back, which is pretty unheard of. Number six, it offers you 4 monthly ATM reimbursements with the M1 Spend debit card versus just 1. Number seven, 0 international fees on debit purchases. Number 8, you can actually send paper checks from within the M1 Finance app. I haven't done this myself, but that does sound pretty cool, I must say. And then number 9, of course, with the M1 Plus account, you are now eligible for the Owner's Rewards credit card application.